Hey friends, today I'm just showing you the Rome's baby sunglass, and you can see like it really comes in a good box. Let's open the box and see what's inside. So here is the main glass case. There are some stickers, some decal. So there are some stickers that kids and baby can play with. Is a decal, the baby on board, that you can fix on your card and the box itself. So the packing is really good. You can see that the sunglass case is very protective, it's hard case, and it have all the the buckle that you can put on a bag or the baby diaper bag and stuff. So inside there is a cleaning cloth, some microfiber cleaning cloth, and this is another soft case for the glass. And here is the sunglass itself. Let's open this pack, and you can see it here that this is the sunglass, and then it is like a flexible plastic, very smooth, that will not hurt the baby. And the glass itself is a UV protective glass, very clear, and see like the flexible thing, so even baby can mold and stuff with it and it will still not break. You can also see like there is a strap that can go along the neck of the baby so that it will not fall. You can adjust this strap from here, and then you can also remove it from by taking this out, and you can remove this from the both side, and you can just put it back very easily. So really a good sunglass, very good for the baby, very nice.